Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video we are going to teach you how to create a BOM in drawings, right? So as you can see, we have taken as a BOM exercise CAD model. From that, how can we make the drawing and also how to derive the BOM from it. Okay, bill of material. So right now we have the assembly which is having the different parts. Let's say if you open this part, and that is having the material inside, and it is made from the weldment, as you can see. So every part are having the material, right? Now if you want to create the BOM from the assembly, we have the example of drawing. Okay, the specific dimension we have determined in this drawing, as you can see, the major dimensions. Now if you want to derive the BOM from it, okay, so what you can do, you can just go to the table and select the bill of materials here. Now you will have the panel select a drawing to specify the model for creating the bill of materials. So what you can do, you can just select the assembly and it will show up the pane here where you can see what you want and what you don't want. Okay, let's say this border you setting, these layers are okay, but we will not touch here any parameter because we have to take as it is. So BOM standard, okay. Detail cut list I don't want because that is the actual weldment regarding point. So I will click it okay, and as you can see, I can move my bill of material table over here where you can see my part number is there, my description is there, and my quantity is there. Now what you can do, if you want to add a panel of material, what you can do, you can just go to the table and insert column right or column left, wherever you want to add. Let's say I want to add the column B as a material tab. So what you can do, you can just go to the property name, and from that you can find various parameters which you can add from the 3D to the bill of materials, right? So let's say I want to add the material over here. There are two materials, okay, as you can see. On this I have not applied the material, that's why it is showcasing the okay, this one no material here, but you can break the link and you can type whatever you want. Okay, if you want to break the link, if you keep the link, then it will directly connect it to your 3D model, and if you apply the material direct there, then it will reflect over here. So just like that, you can just go to the insert panel and you can add various parameters. Let's say length, okay, whatever you want to specify. Let's say weight I am adding, so weight, as you can see, I have added. So that's how you can create the BOM from the assembly directly, right? And if you want to keep the link or break the link, you can do it by yourself, okay, whatever you want according to your functions. So this is it for the BOM. It is very simple and yet very good function of the Solidworks, right? So that's how you can create the BOM from the assembly. That's all for the video. Thank you so much, and keep supporting, keep liking, and keep sharing. Keep learning, keep sharing.